Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to change the battery on your Infiniti QX60 key fob. First, make sure you have the right tools and a new battery ready. You'll need a small flathead screwdriver and a fresh CR2032 coin cell battery. Having a clean, well-lit area will make the process much smoother and help prevent losing any small parts. Let's get started with opening the key fob. Now let's open up your key fob. Look for a small slot, usually on the side where the emergency key slides out. Take your small flathead screwdriver and gently insert it into this slot. With a slight twist or prying motion, carefully separate the two halves of the key fob casing. Be gentle to avoid damaging the plastic. Once the key fob is open, you'll see the old battery. Before you remove it, take a quick mental note of its orientation, specifically which side is facing up. This is usually the positive side. Gently pry out the old battery. Now, take your new CR2032 battery and insert it into the compartment, ensuring the positive side faces up, just like the old one. With the new battery in place, it's time to reassemble your key fob. Carefully align the two halves of the casing and gently press them back together until you hear a satisfying click. This confirms the fob is securely closed. Finally, test all the functions of your key fob like locking and unlocking to ensure everything is working perfectly. You're all set.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.